Hey guys, made it to Nakiryu. Mine's not that long. Mushrooms. Cute mushrooms.
Oh, I'm getting coriander.
I think that's really nice.
Hell no.
Hell yeah.
The pork and rice.
Oh yeah. So that's what the line looks like now. Good thing we came here an hour early.
당연히 가면 좋아하네.
Huh? I don't know. Are you getting the spicy one?
No.
You're not getting it?
We'll play it safe.
What?
Please. Is that what you're getting? This one?
Yeah, all of them.
What I like back Actually.
It's pretty spicy. Way better than the Eastern noodles. That's so yum.
Now upload it to
After I upload my Insta.
Upload mine after. That's right. Yeah, enjoy your food.
Ramen 食いに行こうぜ。
Nice. Very nice.
I think I need to mix it.
What's this? This is it.
Yum, definitely better than the instant one, but obviously, but
This is a duck meatloaf. Wonton. Thin sliced pork. Egg. I'm gonna put that in there. I don't care if you can swim. It's already breaking. Oh my goodness.
Just get it.
I don't know how to do this. There you go. But the egg looks delicious. Wow. Extra noodles. So we're in Koreatown right now. Legit feels like Korea. It's crazy. You got some jeans in your pants. You got some jeans in your jacket, man.
The back looks weird.
So that's Shake Shack again. Last time before we leave. She wants to show off with the cheese in her burger. It's delicious.
squeeze it. Oh, more came out.
Yeah. This one, I don't know why it doesn't taste as good, but
The Tokyo milk.
Yeah. Oh, we haven't been there yet.
Yeah, we haven't been there yet. Never been there before. Wonder what it tastes like.
No way.
What do you mean? This whole place is a dump anyway.
Oh.
I'm taking.
Hey, bro. What the bro? They have this here. This is the nana leaf. Yeah, what the hell? Awesome.